After a lot of din and opposition fury, External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj was finally able to give out her defence in La Affair Lalit Gate. This is what Sushma had to say.
While the Congress continued with its protests outside Parliament, External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj made a statement in an opposition-less Lok Sabha on the Lalit Modi row.
अध्यक्ष जी, मैंने कभी भी ब्रिटिश सरकार से ललित मोदी को यात्रा दस्तावेज
A close to 14-minute speech that was not lost in the din of the House, where Sushma outrightly denied charges of making any recommendations to the British government to facilitate travel documents for former IPL chief Lalit Modi.
मैंने कभी भी ब्रिटिश सरकार से ललित मोदी को यात्रा दस्तावेज देने की सिफारिश नहीं की। ये आरोप सिरे से गलत है, असत्य है, निराधार है। मैं आज यहां चुनौती देकर कहती हूं कि एक कागज, एक पर्ची, एक पुर्जा, एक चिट्ठी, एक ईमेल मेरे पर आरोप लगाने वाले यहां प्रस्तुत कर दें। मैं कहती हूं अगर मेरी जगह कोई नहीं सोनिया जी होती तो क्या करती।
But for a united opposition, Sushma's statement claiming help to Lalit Modi's wife on humanitarian grounds has failed to cut any ice whatsoever.
Her statement exposes her more. That it was impropriety, it was misuse of office.
Baseless allegations. They were not ready to hear the reply. That means they were adapting spit and run. थूकना और भागना
कि जब इंक्वायरी चल रहा है वो अपने पद से हटे।
मैं पूछना चाहती हूं, क्या मैंने ललित मोदी
Sushma's statement comes at a time when the former IPL chief faces a non-bailable warrant that's now got the Enforcement Directorate on an overdrive.
Perspective, the warrant will be taken from this squad. It will be sent to Home Affairs, Home Department, and from Home Department it will be sent to Home Affairs of United Kingdom, and from there he will be arrested by the UK government and he will be sent it to us.
Sushma Swaraj denied before Parliament that she had helped Lalit Modi in any way. The opposition, however, remains unconvinced. They are asking that if indeed her intervention was prompted by humanitarian concerns, why didn't she ask the Indian High Commission to issue him temporary travel documents rather than pick up the phone and speak to the British High Commissioner? With camera person Dilip Upadhyay, this is Javed Ansari in New Delhi for India Today.